So in this video, I'm going to show you how much 40,000 Vechain tokens, better known as VET, will be worth by 2025. Now, please do keep in mind that this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before buying any VET. And before we continue with this video, if you guys want to trade crypto, you can do so with Margex. Margex offers up to 100x leverage, no KYC is required, and anybody can sign up from anywhere, but just make sure to follow your country's regulations and rules. You can find the link to Margex in the description below. So with Vechain predicted to touch around 50 cents to $1 per VET, you can understand why it's a good bargain to buy 40,000 VET coins at the current market price. At the time of recording, the value of the VET coin is 4.99 cents. To buy 40,000 VET coins, you're going to need a total of about $1,996 in total, and that's if you choose to buy at once, or a bit lesser if you can buy gradually by dollar cost averaging. It will interest you to know that Vechain had a pretty early start back in 2018, but the price appears a bit too low for a project that has spent at least 6 years in the market. The one reason for this was that VET, which is only one of 2 tokens that power the Vechain ecosystem, came late into the 2018 crypto boom at the time when it was just fading out. Predictions for this coin are quite wild, with many expecting it to reach at least $1, a point at which people expect they would be in great profits at least. That will be true for those that got in early at the current prices. At $1, 40,000 VET would be worth about $40,000, with gains in excess of 38,000. The incoming bull run, which might have already started, is one of the key waves that I expect to sponsor the move of VET to $1. Now, a couple of years ago, after the crypto boom began phasing out, VET launched at about 1 cent. And after the likes of Bitcoin and Ethereum crashed, which ultimately impacted the price action of a coin like Vechain, we saw the coin drop to an all-time low value of about 0.225 cents in 2020. The coin then fell gradually over 2 years and was primed to join the market revival that prevailed over the crypto industry in 2020 going into 2021. Now, in that time, Vechain developers had developed some more incredible utility and formed partnerships with big businesses which aided it just as we went deeper into 2021. VET increased at least 500x from 2020's 0.225 to trade at 10 cents. That was not done yet. It rose 2x more to trade at an all-time high of about 26 cents before we entered 2021. The year 2022 is widely known as an ugly one for most cryptocurrencies in Vechain, and Vechain was also held captive. The decline started with a drop to 15 cents and then 10 cents. As the year wore on, VET traded at 8 cents and gradually fell way below the 2-cent price level. The fall of Bitcoin had significant impact over many altcoins, and it prompted a major dip in value of the likes of Vechain as it fell more than 80% of its all-time high value. However, with the anticipation of a new market bull run that will touch every nook and cranny of the crypto market, one of the predicted levels that VET must reach on its upswing to $1 is first 10 cents. Holding 40,000 coins would amount to a portfolio of about $4,000 from one that was about $1,996. And from there, the coin can go up to about 50 cents, which will bring the total worth of your portfolio to about $20,000, which is a tantamount to a 10x performance from current price levels. However, there is a bit of limitation. The coin's potential pump is capped at the moment with buying pressure at its highest, and there isn't as much sales as there are buys, which suggests that the VET market is filled with long-term holders. Its current circulating supply is about 72.7 billion VET tokens, and that's out of a total supply of more than 85 billion coins. Therefore, before we can see the coin at even 10 cents, we must first see it at about a 6-cent level from the current price of about 4.9 cents. At which point, I expect there will be a significant dip which will see some holders cash out and thereby creating a suitable entry for the coin, and there can be a greater influx of buyers looking to buy the dip and set the coin on the way to 10 cents. Now, of course, there are a million other predictions set by experts for VET, but I must say that some are pretty outrageous with predictions that VET will reach about $10 in 2025. From the current price level, that puts the expected growth at a growth of about 230x from the current price level. This would be forgivable if the price was merely pegged at $1, and I don't know what is achievable in the next bull run, especially considering the different market forces and narratives that will draw the most attention in the crypto bull market. Now, I would suggest a more modest prediction of 50 cents for VET in 2024, and that is a pretty fair speculation. $1 then may be easily achievable there in 2025. Can we reach $2 by 2025? Now, you never know. But in that event, 40,000 VET would be worth about $80,000, which is a significant enough jump, but it is going to be one long and gradual price accumulation, which many people do not have the patience for. About the blockchain utility, here are a few things that Vechain is characteristic of. Vechain aims to use distributed governance and Internet of Things technologies to create an ecosystem which solves major data hurdles for multiple global industries from medical to energy, food and beverage to sustainability and SDG goals. By leveraging the power of trustless data, Vechain is building the digital backbone that will underpin the fourth industrial revolution, and this demands real-time and trustless data sharing between many participants. The platform uses two tokens, VET and VETHO, to manage and create value based on its Vechain Thor public blockchain. That generates VETHO and acts as the store of value and value transfer medium. VETHO is used to pay for gas costs, separating the need to expand VET when writing data. This has the additional benefit of ensuring cost of using the network can be kept stable by tweaking certain variables, such as the amount of VETHO required to service a transaction, or by increasing the VETHO generation rate. Such actions first require all stakeholder community votes. Vechain has been able to demonstrate massively boosted efficiency, traceability, and transparency across all data trails, supply chains, and within novel kinds of ecosystems, such as those in San Marino targeting UN SDGs, among others. The project is ever developing, and there are a few new scopes to its application beyond its use in smart contracts. The latest introduction to the network is the blockchain biosphere. It is designed to be a circular economy that empowers people, connects value chains, and generates new value. The project's model incentivizes collective action by turning user data into valuable assets. The project is also really big on sustainability and has made progress with incentivizing efforts that contribute to the growth of environmentally friendly initiatives. There is an example in the form of the Drive to Earn initiative, which aims to reward owners of electric vehicles just for using their own cars and playing their part in lowering emission levels. Now, the way it works is that anyone who drives 15,000 miles in their EVs can save up to $50 in emissions, and they get paid that amount. It is power and profit rolled into one big package. Now, this will raise significant adoption for Vechain and increase the number of holders, which will aid its growth to all the predicted price levels and beyond. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.